Here I have BLUBOO Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down a bit, go to the date and time options, and here you can set your date and time to set automatically to your network provider or GPS provider. You can select to set automatically your time zone. You can set your date, set your time. You can select your time zone by yourself here, and you can use 24-hour or 12-hour format. You can switch them here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.